Okay, so now we will have the different clean CSV files, and we will be going to look at the results over here. So what I'm going to do first is to download the notebook from GitHub, and then put it inside Google Drive and open it from there. You can also use the you can also open notebook directly from Google Colab, but I usually don't prefer that method because it like go goes back to the default directory Google for Google Drive. So this is the open notebook, and then I'm going to connect to a virtual machine. So over here, I will be like mainly just running code. There's nothing much for this now. This is to put this is to connect to the drive. Oh, the output is supposed to be here. Eh? No. Okay. And then install requirements, which is the different dependencies for the code. I should be putting some markdown for this to explain what I'm doing here, but maybe later. And then over here is to start the different directories, is to set up the link it to the different directories. And then this option here is to look at the percentage damage instead of the battle analysis damage. So this is to read the CSV file as well as the import, and then a little check for the data points. For this thing, there are a few errors here, but then I'm going to ignore it for now because we won't be looking into the percentage damage for this time. But if you are looking for percentage damage, you will need to clean it up. I mean, clean up the percentage column before running this. Else you will have like a lot of weird numbers over here. And then this is the plotting. And this is the full plot of the whole burst cycle. Multiple burst cycles to be exact. There's like a few ring of restraint users. So what I'm going to do here is to save the image in desktop. And then I'm going to do the same for the other. I'm going to do the same for the one from Mulung. So what I'm going to do here uh, is to come back to this cell and then change my result. So this is Mulung clean. Just double checking the name. Why isn't the name shown? Okay, and then run the code from that line instead of running from all the way from the top. There's a bit of negative damage here. Oh well. I think I should figure out this thing. But yeah, this is the different bus rotations for the second one. I mean for the one from Mulung. So likewise, I'm going to save the image. Hmm. Okay, I got sidetracked a little. I'm going to save the image and then look at it later.